Morning, Mother.
Ah, lagay galing.
This inside. I wanted to look at the back.
Sarado mo to yun. Marami lamang dito eh. Flower ready.
Storeroom.
Dying. Drying up.
How come your wall stops right there?
Huh?
Your wall stops right there?
Which one?
Your pader? How come they didn't put it all the way?
Oh, kasi hati kami dapat siya rin ang mag-cook ano yan. That's her turn to do it over there. I do it only. Too much. Too much.
Can you hold it, Tuck it?
I spray. Did you spray?
Mm-hmm.
You're supposed to tell you pala to bring that one eh.
Oh, dropped it. Sorry. So jungle. Oh.
May banana blossom over there, banana heart eh.
Mm.
On the other side. All my
What's this one, Ma?
they all come down already. They eat that one.
What is it? Oh, is that
Like
the
a
malunggay?
Yeah, that's the malunggay.
Nice.
The leaves, they eat it for cooking, like a vegetable.
Mm.
This is masustansya. In the other side, did you go? In the other backyard?
Over here? On this side? No.
The other. Okay, may kakao na naman eh. They have kakao. Okay.
What is that? Chocolate?
The cacao. And this one is the black pepper.
What?
It don't have no bunga yet, only it just climbing over there. The black pepper.
Oh, your jackfruit.
Yeah, they all put down because it's ano na eh, getting
Too right?
old.
What's over here? Oh, another cup? Where? What are you gonna put here? Where? Where's the tree? Mm. Where are you?
I have a pili tree here.
Where?
Go over here. To cut it.
Ah!
Yes.
Ah!
Let's go. Oh, see, diyan pa nadaan sa ano ko. All the cacao eh. There's the banana, pili. See?
Wow.
Pili tree. Hindi pa nabubunga eh. Ano lang. Dapat nga magbunga na. I keep on cutting it so it don't go all the way
Yeah.
up.
It's
I keep
perfect.
on, the tree over there, that's the neighbor. Look, it's very high already. He's supposed to cut it.
Oh, look
Every
at the
time they growing.
bamboo.
Yeah, I've been cutting it every time. There's a cacao over here too.
So when you go here, then make sure there's no snakes.
Go.
My jungle mom. She's making a path.
It's getting,
Ugh.
getting too much leaves here. I supposed to cut it. This is the,
Hmm.
ano ba yun? The one that smell good?
Not the
The one,
paradise.
the one you put in the,
Palm. Oh, lemongrass.
no, not lemongrass, the other one.
Um,
It's,
ginger.
I don't know how you say that. The one is green. When you put it in the ice cream, it's green.
Hmm. Which one? Oh,
Very small.
so pretty.
I know.
It's
but-
purple.
Yeah. Somebody cut it. That's why now it's only one branch.
What is it?
It's a flower. I don't know how you call it.
Another papaya.
Yeah.
What's all this?
I planted.
Why don't you cut
eat,
this?
We eat it. I mean,
It's like bugs are biting it.
I know there's a I spray it na. Ano ba yun?
You put it in what?
Put it in the hot water and drink it.
Oh, like a
Like
tea?
it lower your high blood or something.
Oh, nice.
It's I don't know how you call it. Sambong or something. I don't know.
This is Eugene's favorite.
The plant.
This one.
I planted it already. They're all growing already. You know, when I'm not here, there's a snake over here.
What?
Only the
Do
skin.
they bite?
Well,
Oh, they're shedding?
It changed already.
You have to find it then.
Already.
It's gonna eat all the chickens.
That's very scary here. So you have to hide.
Yeah. Oh my, your plant fell. Your plant. Why is it falling down? Are you drying it? Are you changing it? Changing
No,
the
I don't
pot?
want to stand anymore. It's too heavy. I need to take it out.
Oh.
Like the one there. It's a bird nest. Something.
Birds of paradise?
Bird nest.
Bird's nest.
Plant or something.
Variegated. Oh, I like this one. This one has nice flowers.
They're flowering very small.
Ooh.
Ito nga, hindi pa nagpo-flower yung ko, rosal eh. This is the smell good flower. When it bloom, it's white. White, it smell good. It's like a big white.
I like that one.
My bougainvillea is making flower, but it's small flower.
This is nice if you put it around the terrace.
Maybe that's why get covered. Why some pagita? It don't have flower right now.
Goes so fast here.
It's dangerous over here.
Yeah,
A lot of motor, a lot of car,
it wasn't like that before.
a lot of flower. My neighbor over here. Too much junk sa house. She's by herself too. That's why I don't have time to clean it up. She's just letting it go, letting it Ala, kumain na naman after the galing-galing talaga. May papaya, pull down already. They keep on taking the papaya. Wala naman din.
The toilet, yeah.
Toilet.
So you could be comfortable. You're getting old, you know. You can't
I
be,
know, I put all the
can't
tape
be
na nga.
tabo all the time. You're
I
gonna
put
end
all
up
the-
slipping and
all
breaking a
the
hip.
Tape, so it's pinching me in my butt already.
Why is this?
Pinching my butt already.
See, and you kept complaining not to get it. I was like, it'll work.
Well, I don't have nobody to do it.
Everyone's going to school.
And my pins is falling down already.
Mm.
Kailangan na talaga ipasukat ito para mapanggal.
You're gonna put a concrete one?
Yeah.
Okay.
The cement and all, maybe all the way here. I mean here in the front is like only
Yeah.
the gate, only over there. And then I put the thing on the top like ano ba yun? The bakal thing.